Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Assassin's Creed ROG crashing full PC and console troubleshooting guide. Fix 1 is verify game files. Open Steam or Ubisoft Connect, then find Assassin's Creed ROG in your library. Then select verify integrity of game files or verify files. Wait for the scan to finish and launch the game again. Second fix is update graphics driver. Download the latest Nvidia and AMD or Intel graphics driver, then install the update. Restart your PC and test the game again. Outdated GPU drivers are a common cause of crashes. Third one is run the game as administrator. Go to the Assassin's Creed ROG installation folder, then right click acc.exe. Then select properties, then compatibility. Check run this program as an administrator and click apply. Fourth one is close background programs. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape, then open Task Manager. Close overlays and unnecessary apps such as Discord, MSI Afterburner, RGB software, and browser tab. Fifth one is disable full screen optimization. Right click acc.exe, then open properties and compatibilities, then enable disable full screen optimization. Save the changes and launch the game. Thanks for watching.